Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see something very important. In this video we will see how to get free Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all other apps. This video is done on public demand. As our friend Vandana, Rakshan, BGMI, and Sampath says that create video on free Netflix. So in this video we will see how to get free Netflix. First of all, if you log in with your own Gmail, then you can use they had given free coins. After that, do one thing, go on site temp mail to get free email for some time. Then log in with that Gmail on leaser.in. After that they will give you login and password. By that you can see Netflix without any interruption. We can also repeat this cycle. Check link given in description for temporary mail as well as for Netflix. So this pretty much for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and I will see you in the next one.